The design is great, it's fast and it's light. I really like using X3 outdoors. The quality of the camera is extremely good, crystal clear and sharp.
What really caught my attention was the quality of the sound and the speakers. You can use it anywhere. It's very light, easy to use, and it just fits my hand really perfectly. Feels like it belongs in my hand.
It's just so smooth and powerful. It's not slippery at all, it's right size. I love it, it's so thin.
I think this phone fits any type of outdoor sports, camping, trekking, or any other activities. It just feels really modern.